We probably use like a vinyl cap, but it's gonna be stronger. It's old school latex. Strong.
Yeah, stronger's probably better for what I'm gonna be doing.
We're gonna torture test this makeup.
Feels like I'm getting a gnarly facelift. My eyebrows are getting pulled into the back of my skull.
Very good.
All right, showtime. Gotta get pumped up. How are you doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Great.
All right.
No, 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 no. Oh wow! Very impressive. Very impressive. How are you doing?
Good, sir.
Young man, what supplements do you take?
I love my creatine. It's really good.
You know what I use?
What do you use, man?
Prune juice. Need to warm up. How are you doing? You mind if I try this?
Love it. Come on, please.
Okay, almost there.
Got it?
Yeah, I think so. I think I got it.
Hey, don't hurt yourself, man. You want to wear a belt, man? Come on, man, bust it out.
Let's see if I remember.
You're pretty strong, man. How old are you?
84.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that feels really good. Oh,
Hello, man. Want to hop in for a little warm up?
of course, young man, of course. What do you say we step it up a little? All right. You picked a weight.
Are you ready?
Oh, you're talking my language now. Let's put those 45s on. Oh. Okay.